Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vlogmas Day 2, and in today's video we're gonna be doing a cook with me, and I'm just gonna be cooking some Sunday lunch. So I have my menu here. I have some macaroni pie, some stewed chicken, stewed peas, I have callaloo, I have sugar glazed carrots, and also coconut rice. I'm just showing you guys what I've already chopped and cut, sliced, diced up. Some carrots, some pumpkins, some onion, garlic, and I'm gonna get started on the macaroni. So while it's in the oven, I could get started on cooking the other dishes. So in a pot, I added a little bit of oil, some onion, and some garlic, and I'm gonna let that saute for about a minute, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. I added about, I want to say 3 to 4 cups of water to the pot. When it comes to boil, I'm going to be using at least 8 ounces of macaroni pasta, and I'm going to stir it around so that the pasta does not stick together. While the pasta is cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and grease the pie dish.
Focus on me, baby, can you focus on me?
So the pasta is finished, and I am adding a little bit of oil into it and then some evaporated milk. I'm just gonna keep mixing until it has this creamy texture. So you guys will see me keep putting in milk even after putting in the cheese, just to get that cheesy and kind of creamy texture that I am looking for. So even after adding in the cheese, I did go ahead and add some more milk into it. So I'm just gonna mix it up and show you guys how it is looking once it's done. This is what I'm looking for. It's creamy, it's cheesy, string pull, just delicious. So I have preheated the oven at 375 degrees, and I'm gonna put the pasta in covered for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna take it off after that and leave it uncovered in the oven to get like a nice brown on top for about 10 minutes. Now I'm just gonna add the rest of the cheese onto the pie and put it in the oven to bake. So while the macaroni pie is in the oven baking, I'm going to go ahead and get started on 2 of the main dishes, which are the coconut rice and the stewed chicken. So I wanted to take this time to kind of give you guys an idea of what my 12 days of Vlogmas will be like. You guys will still have cooking and cleaning videos and just lifestyle videos in total, but I also want to share with you guys like my culture and like my country's like way of celebrating Christmas and what we do to the days and weeks leading up to Christmas. So I will try to share that with you guys. We do have like 9 nights where you go to the gardens, and each night they have something different. I did share that with you guys last year. And we do have 9 morning where you wake up around 2:30, you go into the town and they have like a concert, people having like eating competition, and there's like food there and whatnot. And we do have like Sundays where we go into town on Sundays and we do window shopping or shop for Christmas. So whatever I do decide to do, I'm gonna share that with you guys as well. Some of them will not be like a full length video, but there will be no shots, but you will have, I'll try my best to do the 12 days of Vlogmas with you guys. So I hope you guys will stick around and enjoy them. So let's get back to the cooking. So right now I am browning the sugar and to the color that I want it to be. So I just added the chicken and some water in, and what I did for the rice, I grated the coconut and I blended it to get the coconut milk. I added it into the pot and I add some onion and garlic and let that kind of reduce. Add the rice to it and let it sit, and then I add the water and seasoning, salt, whatnot. So you guys are just gonna see the process of me cooking these 2 dishes.
You would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can
So the rice is becoming soft, so I'm just going to check it to see if there's enough salt in it, and it needed some salt, so I'm just going to add some salt and then check on the chicken as well to see where it is at.
Do you focus on me? Can you focus on?
As you can see, the chicken is starting to take the color of the sugar, but it's not as brown as yet, so it does need some more time to cook. Gonna add some water and just checking on it after a couple of minutes. I'm just gonna keep checking until the rice is cooked and the chicken is done as well. So the chicken are cooked and it already has the color of the sugar, so I'm now gonna add some ketchup and whatever seasoning I need to add, and basically just going to keep reducing until the sauce is thickened, and that's it. The chicken will be done.
Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause a thing, but I don't want.
So this is how both of the dishes are looking once it is done. In my opinion, the rice was a little bit too soft for me, but it still got eaten, and the chicken is just perfection. So next we're going to do the 3 last side dishes. I'm just going to add some water into them, and I'm going to add some pumpkin into the 2 on the same side, and I'm going to add the carrots on the other one, because this is where I'm going to be doing my sugar glazed carrots. Once the pumpkin is halfway cooked, I'm just going to add in the celery, which is already cooked beforehand, and I'm just going to season it and add some coconut milk that I had left back from the rice, and add some little bit of sugar to it and season with salt, pepper, whatever I had on hand. So with the sugar glaze, I did add some salt prior to, and now I'm adding some sugar, hence the name. And I'm just gonna let this calorie reduce until there's like no liquid. So the other part is ready, and I already cooked the peas beforehand. I had some curry, some ketchup, some seasoning, and some sugar in here. I'm just gonna add the peas and let that cook. The macaroni pie is done. It's not as brown on top as I would like it to be, but it started to get really brown at the sides. The sugar glaze carrots are done, and the peas are almost done, and it is time to plate up this Sunday lunch. So I'm just gonna share with you guys this. I hope you guys really enjoy this. So if you guys do watch my Cook With Me Sunday lunch short, you guys will know that it's typically rice and peas and chicken, and that is just delicious and great, because whatever you have to be grateful for. And so I'm so grateful for this meal right here, that there are just so many things on the plate, and whatever I have, I'm just grateful for it. So I don't want anyone to see this video and as like me boasting or bragging, because there's really nothing to brag about. I'm just sharing you guys my cooking skills, and I'm very grateful for everything that I have. Even having 3 full meal, I'm grateful for that, because I know a lot of people are less fortunate than I am, and I don't want to come off as anything negative, because I am not a negative person. I'm just showing you guys me cooking and me plating it up, and it's not an every week occurrence, but it is nice to have. It's nice to have this once in a while. It really is. I hope you guys had a good meal today, and whatever you have, guys, whatever little you have, please be thankful, and please just thank God for it, because there's people who are in a way worse situation than you are. I'm sorry, there's people who are in a way less situation than you are, and you just have to be grateful for whatever you have. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for those of you who stuck around to the end. I really appreciate all of you. And don't forget, kindness is free. Be kind to every single person you meet, every one of them, whether they have done you bad, whether they have done you good, because you never know the impact that they might have on your life. Enjoy your weekend, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.